Imagine sending a secret letter to a bank without ever meeting them. You'd lock it with a public padlock anyone can find, but only they hold the private key to open it. This is exactly how your data stays safe online. In public key encryption systems, the magic lies in a pair of keys. Anyone can use your public key to encrypt a message into ciphertext, but decrypting that message requires the specific private key you hold securely. This method is the gold standard for securing SSH connections today. Instead of typing a password that could be stolen, you generate a unique key pair to authenticate yourself and access remote machines instantly. Setting this up involves two main methods to copy your public SSH key to the target server. Once installed correctly, it allows password-free access, ensuring that only your private key can unlock the session. However, if you see an error like no supported authentication methods available, check your server's debug logs. This often happens when the server cannot find or trust the public key you just sent. This same invisible technology protects your banking sessions too. When you visit a secure website like https://www.bank.com, public key encryption encrypts the data flowing between your browser and their server instantly. From banking sites to cloud instances like AWS, this asymmetric cryptography is the silent guardian of the internet. It ensures that even if data travels across public networks, only the intended recipient can read it. Understanding these keys is crucial for modern security. Have you ever configured SSH keys on your own machines? Let me know in the comments below.